Alright guys, good morning. It's me, Zayden. Short notice, weird video. It's nice and early in the morning. It's 4:30. I'm the early bird. I've been the early bird lately. I did an all night a couple nights ago. I didn't sleep again. Pretty ridiculous. I don't know what I'm doing, but early morning, I don't know what to do. I just haven't slept and I thought I might make a video. I don't know where I am shirtless. That's why I've got the gown on. Nice pink gown. No, I need to be quiet. Everyone's asleep, so better not wake everyone up. My nana's waking up. It's early in the morning though. I haven't slept for a while. I don't know what to do. I'm chewing on a fingernail. It's a bad addiction, but please don't come in the room. It's a bit of a bad addiction, but it'll be alright, Just thought I might make a quick video checking, because, I was uploading the Stardew Valley Let's Play. Sorry if that's a bit boring for all the people who aren't into my gaming videos. So I thought I might make a quick early morning vlog and just, so how you guys been? Put it in the comment section below. I hit 50 subscribers a while ago and now I'm back on 49. I was going to make a 50 sub special, lucky I didn't. When I hit 50 though, I will make a special. Thanks for 50 for like a day. I had 50 subscribers for like a day and then it went back down, so kind of sucks, but whatever. Just thought I might make a quick check-in vlog, chill, what's up, how you guys been, put in the comments below, any video ideas, maybe something, but yeah, hope you guys enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.